we're here na di ay sa
MEDIJA Residences!
Woo! Let's go!
Kapaspos sa
And
development.
we will be checking a model unit here. And this is our community. We're gonna be living here.
And I'm
Visitor.
visitor. Hi, sir.
Hi sir, tripping. Tripping. Okay, thank you. Lalahi na dyan basta ano. So nanay pool.
Nahuman na ang Linday.
Wala pa, ongoing.
So we will go to Eden.
Eden in Catalunan Grande.
There's an Eden.
Ano say water there on? Take a look at the water.
Dira ka sa front ni ano,
Yung para picture ni mo.
Diri. Tada! Oy, gihor.
Hi guys! So for today's episode, we are featuring the Eden model, and it's a house model here at MEDIJA Residences. So we'll take a look at what's inside, and this particular model is still available. So if you are still looking for property here in Davao City, this is the best location for you. It's in Catalunan Grande. Eden at saka Lynn dito sa MEDIJA Residences, and it's really worth the money that we are investing here. So if you are still looking in search of your future dream home, make it here at MEDIJA Residences. Grabe, nindot kayo. Agian na itong dish dito siya naman. So nindot kayo siya guys, and the moment we purchased this one, it was diri mismo ano ni. Di man daw sila padulong mag ano. It was still around a 2 point something. How much was it? It's 2 million, and the monthly amortization is at 10,000 pesos. So ngayon po guys, maglisod na ka o pangita o balay nga naa sa 2 million or naa sa 10,000 ang imuhang monthly. Alright, so amo suruyon ang among future na balay. It's gonna be here. Exactly here. I already checked it. Kani siya dere. Yeah, so that's it.
I will be the first visitor.
So it's amazing.
Always
It's always amazing, and you know, the best time to invest in real estate is really 5
Ay,
years
kaigo
ago.
si Daniel.
Yes, definitely.
Ano wala ka nag-corner?
Corner, we don't have the money. We don't have the budget, bish.
Okay, inner
So,
is enough.
It's already enough kay dili man ta house di man ta homebody. We are always on the go. As long as limpyo ang atong balay, that's pretty much it. Hapsay ang pagpuyo.
Be contented.
Yes, exactly. So lesson from the wandering broker and the wandering agents of MS the Rosario Realty. So in Island jud mi ka bibo mag-tripping, misig walay ka on. Is there anything else? Yes.
Musalot ang guard
Ay.
yung best.
Wow, paspas kaayo. We purchased this was launched last year, February. So prior to pandemic. So February 8, I can still remember because you know we did not have any plans to purchase a property here at MEDIJA Residences. Pero yung nakita na kasi namin ang site na this is the
next big thing.
Hindi, the nearest one of the nearest subdivision to the downtown, and especially my daughter is also studying at Precious, which is in GSIS. So perfect location for us.
And there's a convenience store, walking distance from the convenience store.
So later on, we will give you a walk. Later on, we will give you a walkthrough of the Eden model because ang available na lang dito guys is Eden na lang guys.
Eden na lang.
Nahurot yun si Lynn in ana siya gitilapan ra siya as in. So this is the road, okay? So it's diretso and it's actually cemented over here. And we are in Skyline Subdivision, alright?
Okay.
So, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
There's a buslot.
Yeah, there's a buslot. Don't forget to like and subscribe para you will be updated for the next videos that will come out. Alright, bye! Bye po sila Gigi dito. MEDIJA Residences also offers townhouse, but it's all sold out. So here we go. We still have Eden units available, so inquire now.